Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to fix JBL Partybox charging not working. So guys, to fix this error, this is my JBL as you can see here on the screen. So just follow this step. Make sure using the original charging cable and adapter, and third party charging not be compatible, and inspect cable for any visible damage and sure you have any damage. Guys, as you can see here, this is my JBL and it's not any damage as you can see here. And what you have to do, check your charging port and the speaker is debris and or damage, and clean your carefully. Use the clean tools and be careful guys when you use. And after that, trying different power source and plug in the charging into different outlet power straight, and use another power source and ensure it has power testing another device. And the last solution guys, rest the speakers and perform and rest your JBL party box. And to do this, hold on power button for 10 in the 50 seconds and until the speaker power off, and turn back again and try to charging again. Guys, thanks for watching. See you on another video soon.